Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Kindred Souls of Brooklyn. So I thought I'd do a video, the quiet before the storm. We have Hurricane Helene coming through, and normally St. Armand's, which I'm going to show you, is one of the most bustling areas in all of Florida. So check this out. I'm going to show you sandbags, all the different things they got set up, and maybe stop by a convenience store before I go home, because tomorrow everyone's going to be hunkering down. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoyed the video. So I've done lots of videos in St. Armand's before, but never has there been one where it's been this quiet. And I'm just going to walk around and show you how the preparations, look at this. You got sandbags over here, up on this one. Right over there is the Columbia restaurant, one of the premier restaurants in the area. And they're still, I think some people are still in there, but they'll probably barricade that up. This whole area gets really flooded. The John Ringling Bridge. Let me show you some more stuff along here. Each one has their own little spin on it. This is the Giving Tree Gallery. And they got soil in here. I don't know how good that is, but maybe that's as good as sandbags. I don't know. But again, normally these would be bustling. These would be open. And very, very quiet along here. Some even have metal gates along. Look at this one. This has got like some kind of plastic roll in there. I don't know. I'm thinking sandbags might be the best bet. But let's check this out. So normally all these umbrellas would be outside. This is Lynch's Irish Pub. Look at that, you got an English telephone, an Irish telephone, excuse me. Still got the music on, look at that. Rain go away, look at that, it's awesome. I like the guy who owns this place. He's actually got a burger in here. He calls it you know how Kerry and I love all the animals. He's actually got a burger in here called the Raccoon Burger, because when he first opened up and he threw out the garbage for the first time, the raccoons were in the back, and there was an egg that slid on top of like a burger that they had thrown out. So egg on a burger you can get there, the Raccoon Burger. Here's your quintessential sandbags. Oh, and look at this one, Blue Kazina. And they're doing it right. He's got the metal shutters up there, look at that. Ready for anything. But still, I mean, you're talking about a place that's normally bustling, and this is like I Am Legend. Look at this. Empty. Empty. All right, so it's starting to rain right now, so I'm going to go over the John Ringling Bridge, which will get me more onto the Sarasota proper, and we'll pick it up at one of the convenience stores that I go to, so stay tuned. All right, so we're here at the gas station, Sunoco, 7-Eleven on Bee Ridge, and we're going to take a look and see inside here what's left. You can see lots of folks gassing up. Doesn't seem to be a problem with gasoline shortage at this point, but everyone's filling up their tanks. You're welcome. And look at this, we still got some water left here. Aquafina, and looks like the 7-Eleven special, whatever that is, but even that looks good. So gonna go inside and gonna see. Kerry needs some things in there. Maybe I'll get, because we'll probably be hunkered down tomorrow. So gonna see what's left available in there. Let's go take a look. All right, so check this out. This looks super well stocked in here. I know Kerry needed some pretzels. So sure enough, they have the one that she doesn't like, rolled gold. But you know what? Being it's a hurricane, Kerry's gonna have to deal with rolled gold pretzels. But yeah, man, they got well stocked here and all the stuff. Look at this. They did a great job. You'd never know there was a hurricane coming. You got everything you want here. You got sodas. Look at all this. 7-Eleven, I tell you, props for 7-Eleven. Got Coke, 2 for $15. Not bad. Kerry needed Twinkies too. You know, as you can see, we're bulking up on all the healthy stuff. Let's see. There you go. Twinkies, I don't know, bouncers. Something like that. Probably get some bread. They got plenty of bread left too. Grab some of that. Oh, these are good. Look at these donut holes. Might be getting you folks hungry there. I don't know. Chocolate eclairs, double chocolate muffin. These fudge brownies are always good too. And what do we got over here? Got a full complement of sandwiches there. Hot wings and pizza. Hey, if you guys haven't been to 7-Eleven in a while, then, hey, you know what? I should be romantic, right? I should get one of these for Carrie. I think I'll do that. They got nacho chips, cherry ices. These are always good. Wow, these taqueritos. Oh my God. They usually have hot dogs here too. I don't know, maybe they're out of hot dogs. Thai beanie babies, can't eat any of those. Oh, look at this. Oh, the one thing they're out of, hot dogs. See that? When all else fails, you get some hot dogs. Wow. Oh wow, check this out. So I found the Twinkies for Carrie. Look at that. Oodles of Twinkies. You know what? I get her 3 packs. We'll leave one for somebody else. What do you think? We don't want to be a gavone. Word of the day, Brooklyn word of the day, gavone. That means someone who just eats way too much and they have to, right? Don't want to be a gavone. So that was a pretty good haul. I ended up getting Carrie oh man, I forgot the rose. All right, next time. Got the water and got some snacks, got some bread, of course. We got a bunch of stuff home. So I'm going to continue on here to see what else we could see and make one more stop probably before I go back to Carrie there. And so continue on the journey. Here we go. So I just wanted to get this mural in the video too. I was always meaning to put this on here. This is on the side of someone's home. And essentially, you know, Sarasota is a very artistic city. It's the city of the, you know, Ringling Brothers and Barnum Bailey Circus. So you see a lot of artistry all around the city. So being an animal lover, I thought that was really cool to include in the video. So we're supposed to get winds tomorrow up to about 40 miles an hour. I have duplicates of these because these are our annual pass holder magnets from Disney. I have a second set on our refrigerator. So we're going to test the metal, so to speak, of Disney magnets to see if they stand up to a 40 mile an hour wind gust. It'll be parked right next to my condo, so pretty wind resistant. We have like a barrier on each side. So we'll see. Hopefully they hold up.